But Eugenie, I have to be honest with you. Nepal, our next country, I don't really. I gotta say, I don't know too much about it.
Okay, you're in luck. I have a few fun facts. So Nepal is actually located in the Himalayas and home to Mount Everest.
Oh, the Himalayas. Yeah, go Himalayas. They make that pink salt, right? It comes from there?
No. Nepal is actually home to the Kumari, the world's only living goddess. There's a new Kumari every few years, and these are young girls that are seen as divine. They live in temples and are worshipped by people.
Wow, so they have a living goddess, and then they age out, and then there's a new one, and it's, you don't see that every day. That's very cool.
And in Nepal, they follow the Gregorian calendar. So technically, when you go there, you're 56 years ahead in the future.
Yeah, we can't let Drake find out about this country, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you. But anyways, why don't we make some noise for our next choreographers, Aakriti and Aslesha.
Namaste guys, I'm Aslesha.
And I'm Aakriti.
And we're the directors of Nepal. We're so excited to bring a little bit of Nepal to the stage tonight. And through our dance, I hope you can see the rhythm, the energy. And I hope you get the urge to dance along with us. And if you are not tapping your feet by the end of the dance, we might have to send you back for some more momos.
While we were creating this dance, we weren't just thinking about steps, we were thinking about home. And home for us is Nepal. Nepal is just not a place for us, it's a feeling. It's a feeling of all of our relatives and our friends gathering us together for a dance circle in festivals. And it's the sound of all of our traditional instruments playing in the background. It's the way we celebrate everything, big or small, through movement. This dance is for our people, our stories, and the chaotic, beautiful energy that makes Nepal, Nepal. We really hope you like this dance as much as we do. Thank you.
बेसी झरेर पहाड भन्ज्याङ तरेर एक बेसी झरेर पहाड भन्ज्याङ तरेर याद गराउने काम शेर्पा मेरो नाम याद गराउने काम शेर्पा मेरो नाम कमरैमा पटुकी कसेर मुसु हाँसेकी बसेर कमरैमा पटुकी कसेर मुसु हाँसेकी बसेर रुकुमाई कोटा रुकुमाई कोटा रुकुमाई कोटा रुकुमाई कोटा रुकुमाई कोटा आँखा नि राम्रै हो मन पर्यो नि
Jस्तो लाई माया र कदर ए आफै